Hello my friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Chef Gabriel. Today I will show you how to make a very easy homemade ice cream using only two simple ingredients: whipping cream and condensed milk. There is no fire, there is no cooking, and there are no complicated steps. You can add any flavor you like, such as vanilla, chocolate, coffee, or fruit essence. In this video, I add fresh fruits to give beautiful color and natural taste. You can also make it plain with a soft and creamy whipped cream flavor. This dessert is perfect for hot summer days and also perfect for cozy winter evenings when you sit with your family and enjoy warm stories. I want to say thank you to all my fans of my YouTube channel, Chef Gabriel, for your patience and your support. Please enjoy this short video and watch how I prepare this delicious homemade ice cream with my own hands just for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. With love, Chef Gabriel.